Hello, let's take a few minutes to talk about the Apigee platform, which consists of three products: Apigee Edge, Apigee Sense, and Apigee Monetization. Everyone's familiar with our flagship product, Apigee Edge, which is the API management platform and is our focal point in which our other products use and interact with for processing. So let's start with a basic view of the API management platform and a scenario everyone can relate to in their everyday lives. We use our smartphones constantly. We open apps, click around, and get responses. We may also do things like log into our banking app and make payments. All of these pass information from the app to the API management platform that directs the request to the correct location in the company's back-end systems to then send a response all the way back through the API management platform to your smartphone app. This unfortunately only scratches the surface. Yes, it connects these systems, but there's much more. And if managed correctly, it can be a differentiating factor on how your company builds and creates a competitive edge by managing API proxies as products for creating new and seamless user experiences across platforms. So let's restate this. The API management platform is central to digital strategy and is critical for companies looking to move at the speed of today's innovation. It starts with a multitude of applications and technologies on the left side, sending requests to the API management platform to process information and knows where to direct the call to the backend systems that may reside in a multitude of locations. This passes information back to the API management platform for further processing and then returns a response back to the requesting entity like we talked about before. The power is in the details of the API management platform, with the configuration of API proxies which control the flow of data, security of data being transmitted, and the data mapping necessary to communicate to and from the backend systems. So let's explore Apigee Edge a little bit more. Apigee Edge consists of API services layer and is the core area for creating, publishing, and managing your portfolio of API proxies, as well as implementing security access to protect your company's assets. The developer services layer includes areas which integrate with the API management platform to provide developers access and tools to consume APIs, which is critical for developers to easily discover, build, and test applications. And the analytics services layer, which is key for API programs, as this allows full visibility and details into the health of your program with details on usage and performance. Now, let's touch on Apigee Sense. Apigee Sense is an intelligent behavior detection and security product that protects APIs from attacks. Apigee Sense works with Apigee Edge API management platform using algorithms built by analyzing metadata from billions of API calls on a regular basis. Sense thus provides an additional layer of API security by identifying and alerting administrators to suspicious API behaviors, such as content scraping, credential stuffing, compromised keys or tokens, and much more. Administrators then use the Sense tool to apply the corrective actions. Next is Apigee Monetization. Apigee Monetization is a flexible, easy-to-use solution to realize value from your APIs. It offers end-to-end monetization capabilities with the flexibility to create various revenue models, process payments, manage billing, as well as having robust reporting capabilities and the ability to integrate with your developer portal to manage these plans. For more information on this topic, refer to our documentation, and if you have any questions, please post them on our community. Thank you.